Hi everyone, this is a review of the Artisana Organics. If you guys haven't already, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more videos. If you haven't checked out my channel, I have a variety of other products similar to this and a little different as well that I've reviewed in full. And if you guys do want to purchase this product, I'll leave a link down below in the description of this video. So let's jump right into it. There's a reason why I had purchased this specific brand and this specific type of cashew butter. Okay, it says certified clean, certified raw, and also USDA organic. These are like huge things that I really look for, and I don't only look for that, but I look at the ingredients. Okay, it is this raw organic cashews. That's what I want. A lot of products out there, they put sugar, they put palm oil, they put different types of oils in it, and it's not what you want to eat. You just want to eat something that's minimally processed and what you expect that you're purchasing, right? And this really delivers outstandingly. Taking a look over here, you can see that there's 0 added sugar, 0 salt added. This is really nice, and I'll tell you in a second why. But let's continue forward. 2 teaspoons will be 180 calories. So again, this is cashew butter. This is a kind of fatty butter, so you're gonna get the healthy saturated fats, of course, at 2.5 grams, but it's only 2 tablespoons you're getting 180. So that's quite a bit, but this is cashew butter, so this is you're expecting that it's gonna have that. So so let's go back to why 0 milligrams of sodium is important. Every single product I've been seeing out there has added a ton of sugar, a ton of salt, and you're just eating a byproduct that has so many different ingredients added to it. And not only that, but you're looking at the ingredient list, it tells you like, cashews only, right? And then if you look at the salt content or sugar content, you'll notice that, wow, sodium is high, sugar content is high, there's added sugar into it. So you got a variety of these different issues with so-called healthy products. So do I recommend this product? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I highly recommend it. So let's go ahead and open it here. So as you can see here, I've used the fork to eat through it, and it's creamy, it's soft, and it does taste like cashews, which is what I'm looking for. So the texture is nice, it's soft, it's creamy, and tastes like natural cashews. So highly recommend this product if you haven't already. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link to this down below in the description of this video. You can click on the link, I'll take you to Amazon if you'd like to purchase this item. They also sell this in the grocery store, depending on the grocery store you're at. Now with COVID going on, I usually order things off Amazon. It's much more easier, it's faster, and much more convenient. But anyways, guys, that's a full review of this product. If you have tried this product or brand before, comment below. I want to hear your thoughts on other products out there, including this one on, this Artisana Organics sells also a raw almond butter. So that might be the next product that I purchase and review. But if you haven't already, again, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.